Hello. In this video, we'll be diving deeper into the clustering feature of Maya. Data clustering is a technique that organizes large amounts of data into smaller, more manageable groups. This is often used to identify patterns and opportunities for growth, which can be impossible without segmenting the data. It's also a great way to make information more understandable for others, design better products, create more effective marketing campaigns, and achieve in general higher conversion rates. The goal here is to create campaign and conversion clusters within your dataset, which can then be used for reporting purposes. These groups are based on a variety of characteristics and can have any conceptual meaning that is valuable for analysis. Starting with campaigns, for example, they can be grouped based on their scope, meaning separating reach from remarketing campaigns, or even group them based on the type of audience, the region the campaign is running in, or the selected objective of the campaign. You can also group campaigns based on their performance, such as the total number of conversions, clicks, impressions, cost, etc. In addition to campaign clustering, you can also apply clustering rules to your conversions, which are extracted from all the different services you've integrated into the app. For example, you can group all the conversions that are related to a specific form submission action from any source simply by applying clustering rules using a naming convention you've chosen. This allows you to always track your conversions across all services or even analyze them by specific stage, creating a custom conversion funnel. To create a cluster rule, you only need to use logical conditions on a name, service type, amount of a specific measure, etc., and then assign a value to this grouping. You can also use other cluster values to fully customize your grouping specifically for your business. On the right side of your screen, there's a preview table where you can instantly see your new cluster without having to wait for the deployment to be completed in order to make changes on the spot. When you're finished with clusters, you'll be able to view them in your reports, use them as dimensions, or even filter your visuals based on them. You humans might think that monitoring all your data in one big lump is the way to go, but let me tell you, it's just not enough. You won't be able to see the important insights hidden in the data. So don't be lazy and take the time to cluster your data. Our motto here in Maya Insights is segment or die. We have our reasons. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.